Hello everybody, it's Charlie's Trains. We have the Amtrak dual motor pulling 5 Amtrak passenger cars around. We have the 218, 3 of them, diesel engine for Santafe from the 50s, pulling 3 passenger cars for Santa Fe's, going through the train bridge, ready to come up around the bend. Here comes the Amtrak over here. Everything's looking good. And if you could, please subscribe to me on YouTube. It's Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains, and it's 9169. I appreciate it. And I hope everybody enjoys this video. And have a great day.